First things first, we have to strip back this old yellowed varnish, revealing the bare timber. This will give us a clean surface to work with. For this, we use 2 grits of sandpaper to make sure that we got every last bit, a coarse one and a fine one. Next, it was time to sand down those legs. As you can see, they came with a white finish, so it's time to rub them back so we can move on with their new top coat. Now, one final light sand with the electric sander to get those hard to reach places. It is time for the varnish. For this, I'm using a water-based satin finished clear varnish, as it will bring out the colours of the wood without leaving it too glossy and too 1980s. After 2 coats of this, separated by a light sand over, it's time to move on to the legs. Now for the legs, we're using a water-based enamel to help bring some durability into this beautiful big coffee table that I am certain is going to see a few more knocks, wear and tear in its days. Once again, once we've finished the second coat, we are good to go. And there you have it. A simple yet beautiful makeover that anyone can do. Thanks for joining me. Did you know I wrote a book all about creating wealth through renovating property? I've popped a link below in the description so you can check it out. See you next time and enjoy.